Hello, welcome back to all the LEGO Friends 2026 sets of reveal. And so let's see this one first. Pet accessory van. So it looks very cute. So the van looks like a puppy. It also has like ears and tail, and that's very cute. And Nova and Alia, they have some new outfits. I love them. They're very colorful. I love them so much. We also have like a dog bone character, and now this is like a bunny hotel thing, and the bunnies are very big this year. They're called Honey and Snowball. That's very cute. You know, we had like a cat pet hotel before, but this is the first time we have a bunny hotel. And next, it's a dog treats bakery, and it's a very interesting looking bakery. It kind of looks more like a restaurant, but it's a bakery. And then we also have Sage, Nova's sister, and she has some new hairstyles, and I love it so much. That's so cute. I love it. And next one, this is a small set unicorn cake delivery truck. So they have like a unicorn truck, and they have cupcakes and cakes and donuts and like balloons and stuff like that. And I love Paisley's new t-shirt with a unicorn on it. So this one, I told you about this one, but now we have a clear photo. So there's a girl over here, and I thought Alia was wearing the same outfits as like 2025, but she actually has a new outfit, so that's very good to hear. So I think I should make another video about these 2026 sets, because now I just have one photo per set, so we can't see what's inside if it's a big set. But anyway, this set is very nice too. We have interesting animals. That's very cute. So next, it's the LEGO Friends convenience store. So I was very excited about this set, but this is not exactly how I imagined it. It's rather different, but I like it. And I like the new cart, green color, and we actually have like noodles and stuff like that. That's very nice. And I love Autumn's new clothes. And this one was the one that I was really excited about, the fun indoor playground. And this one is also not like how I expected it, but still it looks very nice too. We have so many activities inside, and I wish I can see what's inside right now, but we can't see it right now. So in a little bit later, we'll have some new photos about it. So this is like a talent show, and I'm really excited about this because it looks so awesome. We have some new outfits, so many new outfits. And Leanne, she's so funny, like with a wig and like she's wearing a dress. That's so cute. So that was the fashion show, not the talent show, sorry. And this is the horse stable and something like that. So you know, Lego Friends has so many like horse things. And this year we have like Lego Friends doll like scarves for the Lego Friends dolls. And you know, we have Thunder in this set. I remember Thunder from the 2025 set, and this is the one that I told you yesterday, right? And this is Leanne's family house. It's so nice, and I was so excited to see what's inside, but still we can't see what's inside. But maybe tomorrow or after that we'd see what's inside these sets. And this is a small animal vet clinic, and I like Zach's new outfit. It's very nice, and we have a white pony and a dog and like places for the pets, and it's a small set, and it's for 4-year-olds. And so this one is a horse and baby trailer, stuff like that. So we also have a pony, and yeah, it looks very nice. And oh yeah, that's very cute. And oh, we have Mathilde, and they said, you know, I love Mathilde. And we have like frogs this year, because before frogs they didn't really look cute, but now they made it look more like a pet, like cute. So this one looks very nice too. We have like popsicles and like balloons, and Leanne's new outfit is really awesome. I love it so much. It's really nice. And let's see what's next. So this is the Lego Friends Clubhouse, and what's really amazing is that this year we have a bicycle for 2 people. So it's like, as you can see, the bicycle, the purple one, is long, and it's for 2 people. That's really awesome. And we have like popcorn machines and stuff like that. I just can't wait to see what's inside. And this is a beach house, and Paisley has new hairstyles because she's wearing like a hat like covering the sunlight, and this is very colorful, and I just can't wait to see what's inside as well. And we have like cute animals as well, and Leanne's riding like a canoe, and we have like solar panels on top of the roof. So this is the end of the video. We have 17 new sets. So see you next time. Bye bye.